Tired of manually refreshing Tableau extracts? Manual extract refreshes are time-consuming and error-prone, but with Python, we can automate that process, saving you time and ensuring your dashboards are always current. First, you'll need Python installed on your system. Along with the Tableauserverclient library, you can install this easily using pip. Next, let's get the essential information to connect to your Tableau server. You'll require your server address, the site ID, your username, and password. With the connection details ready, we'll write a Python script to authenticate with Tableau Server using the Tableauserverclient library. This sets up your login and grants you programmatic access to the server. Afterwards, we'll need to identify the specific extracts we want to refresh. This typically involves knowing the project ID and workbook ID where the extract is located. Using more Python code, we'll retrieve this information and then initiate the refresh. The Python script will now instruct Tableau Server to refresh the extract. This might take some time, depending on your extract size. Throughout the refresh process, we can monitor the progress. Finally, the script will confirm the refresh's completion, ensuring your automation's success. Then, simply schedule your Python script to run automatically, and your dashboards will have automatic calculated, fresh data. This improves efficiency and reduces manual intervention in data maintenance. Remember to always handle sensitive data and credentials securely. That's how to automate your Tableau extracts using Python.